What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back with M.A.P, my automatic pay. I want to do a quick overview of it really quickly for you guys. The link is in the description that will take you directly to the capture page, the sales funnel for this program, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go there, check it out, get started. So M.A.P, let's talk about the digital marketing tool. Okay, yes, this program will allow you to make $247 commissions over and over. But what is it? What does it entail? Okay, this tool has helped dozens of people escape the rat race and live life on their own terms. All right, you're going to get this awesome, let's see, what is this, 22-page PDF. Okay, it includes tools. It gives you tips on how to make the $247 commissions on and offline. Okay, so this is a great little guide. All right, so we're gonna go over it a little bit here, so let's talk about it. All right, so M.A.P is designed to be simple. It's not rocket scientist, no smoke and mirrors. It'll cut through all the digital fog that's running rampant all over the internet. They have killer digital education products and lots of them, and you can download each module as you see fit. So you'll have instant access to these digital products once you get started. Okay. And first and foremost, the product is driven through a company, better part of 21 years knowledge and purchasing rights from trusted educational sources that can be offered to you. Okay. So let's talk about it. Let's face it, the global economy has changed, and you don't need to change with it. That's just way of life, right? We have to re-educate ourselves to keep up with the times. So they've included these digital products. Now, these particular digital products is the M.A.P marketing product page, okay? All right, they have two separate product packages, if you will, modules. So we're going to talk about right now the marketing products and digital marketing tool that's included in module 1. These are all the products in module 1. Create your own job, and once you click these buttons, guys, you download these products instantly. 5 steps to improving your mindset. Module 2, get traffic. Simple traffic solutions, 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Module 3, procrastination killer, winning webinars, make money selling nothing. Module 4, brain training, okay, and so forth. Okay, so you'll get access to all this stuff once you get started. But I want to kind of just go over the digital tools. All right, so let's dig a little further into this. So the M.A.P products, they teach you how to market any product. Okay, that's what this is about. The digital tools are going to teach you how to market any product, whether it's online or offline. These product modules will reveal many tips and tricks that you can use immediately to increase your $247 daily payments. Okay, so that's what the tools are going to provide. Show you how to make money online and how to make these $247 commissions. Okay, so here is an illustration that they give on if you were to make $247 a day for 30 days. Okay, anything is possible. They show you how to create a flood of traffic. They include all that in this program. So the whole program, the system itself, you're going to pay your inviter $247. This is a member-to-member program. There's no middleman. Okay, you're going to pay them directly, $247 when you click that link. Okay, and you're going to also pay the company $33, okay, for the administration fee. So this whole system is one-time payment, no monthly fees, $280. That's it. And you're able to make $247 over and over and over. They give you the tools. That's what this is about. Getting the tools you need to show you how to market this program to make these $247 payments. But not only that, as they state, the tools that you're going to get, you can use these to promote any program. Okay? So it's universal. So what's the key? The key to all this and being able to make the commissions is what? Being able to get exposures to your capture page. That is the key. The more exposures you get to your capture page, your lead capture page, the more money you can earn. All right, so let's take a look in the back office real quick at some of the products. All right, so that's the M.A.P marketing product page. They also have the, let me log back in. They have the health products as well, as you can see right here. And everything is going to be, you're going to have instant access to this as soon as you log into your back office. Okay, I'm not going to go over all these because you'll be able to see them. But you see they have digital products for health as well. Okay, the key to being successful with this, guys, is the marketing. You want to follow the marketing that's included, the training that they give you right here. Get traffic. This is the key to getting sales. You need people to look at your opportunity. Without visitors going to your page, you getting leads, there is no sales, right? So you want to keep the traffic flowing. And right here they give you traffic sources: social media, solo ads, postcards, sales letters, the rotator, drop cards. They have an 800 number that you can put on your postcards or your images that you use. They have a home business advertiser where if you want to post, place an ad in the advertising magazine, you can do that. Okay, so all the resources are here for you to be successful with this opportunity. So you have to implement them, okay, and switch it up. Don't do the same thing over and over. Maybe you do a little solo ads, maybe you mail out some postcards. Okay, so you switch up your marketing, but you be consistent with it. That is the key. Okay, so how does the compensation work? Okay, this is a direct member-to-member program. You get paid any way you want. You're going to make $247 for everybody you refer to the program. Okay, your first referral, you make $247. Your second sale passes up. Everybody passes up their second sale. You pass up your second sale. That's the only one you're going to pass up. Your third sale to infinity, you keep all those sales, and you're able to make $247 over and over and over again. Now, what's cool about this is you're going to actually earn $494 from every person that joins you. That's powerful. Okay, this allows you to make passive income. Okay, this is what they call the reverse one-up. Okay, so this is a great program, I think, for beginners because everything is included, all in one, done for you. Traffic is included. Everything you need is right here in this program. And again, it's no monthly fees, one-time payment, total $280 to get started. $247 goes to your inviter, $33 goes to the company. That's it. And from there, all you need to do is market. Okay, the program. All right, that's how this works, guys. But this is a great program to get started in. The link is in the description. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get started. Look forward to working with you. I'll give you guys some image ads that I've put together when you get started as well. You can post these on social media, or you can also place ads and use these images. And your first advertising, I'm going to do the first paid advertising for you. All right, so look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Thanks for checking out the video. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.